Hello everyone. I am going to discuss about the float or slack today. So float and slacks refers to the amount of time a task can be delayed without impacting the overall project schedule. Actually float और slack वो है जो अगर हम लोग वो एक्टिविटी को कुछ टाइम डिले कर देते हैं भी that will not affect the total duration of the project. So we can say that is the flexible time of the activity. So float is three types. One is total float, free float, and third one is independent float. So total float is the amount of time a activity can be delayed without delaying the project overall completion time. And free float is the amount of time the activity can be delayed without delaying the start of any subsequent activity. Means अगर कोई activity और एक एक्टिविटी के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है देन अगर उस एक्टिविटी को हम लोग कुछ डिले करते हैं देन द सब्सिक्वेंट एक्टिविटी जो है उसके ऊपर जो डिपेंडेंट एक्टिविटी है उसको भी वो अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्री फ्लोट. एंड इंडिपेंडेंट फ्लोट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम एन एक्टिविटी कैन बी डिलेड without affecting the total float of its proceeding and succeeding activity. दोनों प्रीडिसेसर एंड सक्सेसर दो एक्टिविटी जो होते हैं उसके ऊपर कुछ अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. सो विल टेक वन एग्जांपल एंड विल एक्सप्लेन द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लोट. Let us take one example and we'll solve the problem. So the question is like that, a project schedule has the following characteristics. Activity दिया गया है 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, like this activity will be given up to 9 to 10 and all the time period will be given according to the activities. So what is the question? Question is construct the network diagram, compute earliest event time and latest event time, determine the critical path and total project duration, compute total float, free float and independent float. So we'll take the network diagram. We'll first draw the network diagram. So I have started the diagram from 1, that is the starting point, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 according to the question we have done. Then it is 2 to 4, then 3 to 4, then 3 to 5, 3 to 5, then one is given 4 to 9, then 5 to 6, then 6, 5 to 7, then 6 to 8, 7 to 8, 8 to 10 and 9 to 10. So very simple network diagram, and we have here put the duration of the activity. Like 1 to 2 is given 4, 1 to 3 is 1, 2 to 4 is 1, 3 to 4 is 1. Like that all the activities what is given the duration in the question, we have put all the duration. The next part is that we have completed the network diagram. Then what we will do? We will try to do the early start time and latest finish time. So what I have done, suppose this is one activity IJ. So you can say the activity, name of the activity is IJ. So the starting point, so we have completed the network diagram. Suppose this is one activity 1 to 2, and what I have done, the tail of the activity I have taken I and the head of the activity I have taken J. So the activity is IJ. So the early start time of the activity I have taken EI and the latest start time is LI. And earliest finish time for the activity, like the head one EJ, and the latest finish time of the activity is LJ. So what I have done, EI, LI, EJ and LJ. EI stands for earliest start time and LI stands for latest start time. EJ stands for earliest finish time and LJ starts from latest finish time. So we'll take all these and we'll calculate the float. So we are taking one start point as 0. So the earliest start time for 1 and 2 activity, we can say the EI is 0 and LI is 0. Means early, by earliest start time, early से early हम लोग जल्दी से जल्दी हम लोग 0 में start करेंगे, and by latest also the start time will be 0. And the finish time for this activity 1, 2, we can say EJ is 4, but the latest time is 9. Means this activity can be delayed to up to 4 to 9 days. Means 4 day में ये complete होना चाहिए, but अगर हम लोग 9 days तक उसको delay भी कर देते हैं, then that will not affect the total project duration. So after doing this, we'll find the critical path. How we'll going to find the critical path? We'll start this is the forward direction, forward flow of the network. So what we'll do, 0, 1 to 2, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1. So यहाँ से जाएंगे हम लोग, जो maximum value जो addition में होगा, that will take here 1 to 4 to 1, 4 plus 1 is 5. In this case 1 plus 1 is 2. So 5 is more than 2, so we have taken 5 here. As 2 arrows are here, arrowhead are here, one is 4 plus 1 is 5, another one is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 5 is more than 2, so we have taken 5 here. Like that we'll complete all the network flow, and after that that is the backward flow of the network. Backward में जब आएंगे तो हम लोग जो minimum value होगा उसको लेंगे. Like from 22 is the last one. What we will do, 22 minus 7 is 15. Like 22 minus 5 is 17. Like this we'll try to complete one. 17 minus 1 is 16. यहाँ पर 17 minus 2 is 15. Like यहाँ से दो arrow हम लोग पीछे आ रहा है. One is 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4, one is 12. And in this case, it is 15 minus 8 is 7. The minimum is 7. So we have taken 7 here. Like that, we will complete and will come up to the 0. Then we will calculate the total float. Total float is equal to, that is latest finish time minus earliest start time minus duration. Latest finish time is LJ minus EI minus TIJ. Free float is earliest finish time minus earliest start time minus duration, that is EJ minus EI minus TIJ. Independent float equal to earliest finish time minus latest start time minus duration, that is EI minus LI minus TIJ. So what I have done, I have done a table here. All the activities I have written here and the duration is given. So what I have done, I have distributed the table like this: start event, and this is the finish one. Suppose 1, 2 is the activity, the start will be earliest start time and latest start time, earliest finish time and latest finish time. So we can see the arrow head, tail and head, and whatever the value we have done here, these values we can write directly. Like 0049 I have written here. I have written here 0049. So what we'll do, first we'll calculate the total float. Total float equal to latest finish time minus earliest start time minus duration, means LJ minus EI minus TIJ. So what I have done, LJ means 9 minus LJ minus EI. EI is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9 minus 4, duration is 5. So I have written 5 here. Like this, we have to calculate all the values by putting the formula. Like the second one, I will show you. Like LJ that is 1 minus Lj minus Ei, Ei is 0, 1 minus 0 minus 1, that is 0. Like this we will calculate. The next one is free float. Free float is Ej minus Ei 4 minus 0 minus duration. Minus duration means 4. 4 minus 0 minus 4 is 0. Second one, 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Like that we will complete all the things. Independent float is Ej minus Li minus Dij. Ej, if you say Ej for the first one is 4, minus Li is 0, 4 minus 0 is 4, minus 4 is the 0. Like that the second one, 1 minus 0 is 1, minus 1 is 0. In this case, if any independent float is coming negative, then we will consider that one as 0. Like that I have completed the table. So thank you very much. I hope you will understand the problem.